Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with a new video about the NiceHash app, where you can track all your earnings from the mobile app itself. Here you can see the minimum cash out and also the unpaid balance, which will be paid every 4 hours. You can check the history over here for week and month and year, what your projected income is. And coming to profitability, you can check the BTC per 24 hours. Based on that, here you can see my two cards, which are around showing around 31 and more hash rate on autokylus, which is ergo. And here you can see the balance which is being paid every day from these two cards. And coming to mining stats, you can check all the graphs of the unpaid or mining balance based upon the current average and the right hash rate. Here you can see the actual and normal earnings. And coming to the devices, you can see here what are the temperatures they are running at and what they are consuming and total watts. And here you can see the hash rate on Dagger, Hashimoto and autokylus, which is ergo. And coming to my balance, which is of $367, which is of around 0.007 BTC. Here you can see I have shifted or moved all the balance into different coins, and I'm keep on buying them as when they are on dip. So this helps me in order to grow my balance or double it. So based upon the websites where it shows which coin is on dip, you buy that. And here you can see you can choose any of the currency. Right now it's USD, and you can always switch from dark mode to white mode or normal mode. And here you can see you can always check with the support team if you have any issues. And this is all about the app, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and tap on the bell icon, please.